Hey poetry students, I'm here with a quick video to walk you through Unit 3, tell you what Unit 3 is all about, and make sure that you understand where the resources are for Unit 3. There will be another announcement that comes out just to kind of define what Week 11 is and so forth, but I want to make sure that since I'm not in the classroom with you right now, that you have a video that you can go back to and say, oh, okay, this is what Unit 3 is. And also this video will help you with the quiz that I have as a review for Unit 3. So I'm going to share my screen with you in order for you to follow along with me. So if we're on our main Moodle page that looks like this, remember you can bring this in and out. If we go to the distance learning area, you'll notice that we've got some stuff loaded here. So this stuff will be covered in the announcement, but largely in Unit 3, the main things to take away here are that we are writing essentially we're writing one poem and one meta essay, and these are going to be polished poem 3 and polished poem 3 meta essay. Those can be accessed through the resources right here. So when you click on those resources, you'll see that those links are right here for you, the prompt, the rubric, the submissions, and so forth. And so polished poem 3 will be one of 3 types of poems. So one of 3 types, one being a list or catalog poem, one being a haiku, and then one being a limerick. So you're going to choose between those, and then you'll define, you'll write a poem that's in draft form. You'll get feedback on the draft, and then you will submit that via Moodle underneath this submission here after spring break. So when we're thinking about the overall schedule for Unit 3, we can start to think, okay, we're going to do things through week 11, through week 12, and then in week 13, you'll have spring break. Week 14 is when that will come due for us. All right, so that's when Polish Poem 3 and Meta Essay 3 due is in week 14. So now these are just linked to other places on the Moodle page. So if you go down here, you'll see we have the same stuff uploaded for us within the major assignments, because I don't want to change too much on you. I just want to give you other locations that you can find those rather quickly if you need to. So you'll notice the same materials are uploaded right here in terms of the major essays and in terms of Unit 3. All right. One thing to note is that I haven't put out a full schedule to take us to the end of the semester, largely because those things are changing, partially because we've got to be aware that we are in an online format right now, and some of the stuff that we would generally do in the classroom is not really applicable in the in the online environment. So we can't have a lot of conversations like we typically would. Instead, we've got some assignments, you watch some videos and things like that. So I'm releasing the schedule week by week with an announcement that will walk you through the things that are important for you to get done in that week, okay? So week 3 will progress that way in a week by week format with the assignments coming due for us throughout that time. But largely takeaways here, Unit 3 will have a poem 3, a polished poem 3, a meta essay 3 for the polished poem 3. And then those will come due for us, let's see here, I believe the 15th. So we've got a little time, the 15th of April, and then let's see here, we'll have some smaller assignments in between there and now, getting us ready for the 3 types of poems that you can choose between, which are the catalog, the limerick, as well as the haiku. Okay. Filmed a lot of videos today, so I apologize, I'm a little bit out of it, but hopefully you find this helpful and it shows you where those things are on Moodle. Let me know if you have any questions. We can always virtually chat, and then other than that, stay brilliant, guys.